morning. Hey, my face is not clear. So I want to do something for you guys. Yeah, we are here at the vegetable market. So I thought of like making a separate video. Yeah, let us go inside and show you how much 100 dirham can get you. It's like $30. No, 30. Yeah, 30 to $27. In Uganda, it's like 100 same. So I want to show you what you can get in that money. Yeah, this is the vegetable market. It's kind of busy today. It's a Friday. So yeah. Hi.
How are you?
Fine. Today you have fruits also.
Eh?
This one yours.
No problem.
Today I have a budget. I have a budget of 50 dirham. I want onion.
Yeah.
Let me see this one. You want to make? Okay.
Anyway.
So this vendor number is 106 for the vegetables, for the onion, tomatoes, what else? Potatoes, all veggies. I always buy from this guy. Yeah, he's very good, very nice. Today he gave us even that big cavera. Yeah, he's always, sometimes you will not find him. You'll find his guys or sons, I don't know. But yeah, everything is good about him. Customer service will give you the best. And his bill was 60 dirham. Yeah, 60. It was 61 and he gave us a balance of 40 dirham. That is the good thing about him. Then for the fruits we bought from here, bananas. Yeah, I bought from him. His vendor number is 161. Yeah, I bought banana. You can see he was calculating here. I bought banana, passion fruit, or oranges. What else I bought from him? There is something I have forgotten. Yeah, but we bought from him fruits, and his bill was 60 dirham. Yeah, 60. Though he gave us for I think 57. Yeah, he ended up giving us for 57. Yeah, and yeah, I bought the watermelon from him. He was very nice. This guy was so nice. He was recording me. It's the person who asked for my phone to start recording me. That was the good thing about him. And yeah, his vendor number was 157. So you can check him out. Yeah. And the watermelon was so good. So good. If you're buying watermelon, ask them. Yeah, the bill was 14 dirham only for the watermelon. So if you're buying watermelon, ask them. The way to know that the watermelon is nice, you have to ask them to cut it, and you see inside. That's when you're going to know that the watermelon is nice. And for someone who is asking where this market is, it's at Russell Cole Road. But you can choose to go to fish market. There is fish market in Abu Hail. It has also, it's called a fish market, but it has a lot of stuff also. It has veggies, it has birds, meat, if you go to fish market. But the only thing about this one has only vegetable and fruits. That is the good thing. You will move around. It is very big, very big. Yeah, I always stand in one position, but I have a lot of videos concerning this. We also bought these corns here on our way out. We bought these corns. It was not on the budget, but long time without us taking corns, so yeah, we had to grab them at only 10 dirham. 10 dirham, guys, you can imagine. And this was us, this was our luggage. You have to pay for this guy to take you around with this trolley. 10 dirham also. So yeah, that is that. So guys, I want to end this video. Yeah, we're done with the market thing. We got like excess of what we wanted, that's what I can say. But yeah, we'll see everything. I think I will record a vlog. This video will be separate, then I'll record a vlog showing you what I got. But we spent something like, I had 120 20 extra 20 at work. No, yeah,
25.
So now I'm 25. So we spent something like 150. Yeah, we spent something like 150. I have shown you what we got, everything I got. I'll put the list at the end of this video. So instead of 100, we spent something like 50, of which it is worth it. Some things will take me for long. Yeah, it will take me for 2 months, 1 month and a half. Onions, tomatoes, so everything is in print, guys. Yeah, otherwise this is the end of everything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell to be notified every time we post a video. And yeah, see you around. Like guys, like. And these people were so happy, so cooperative. They all want the video. Yeah, see you around.